Okay, so today I have the most magical plans. That's right, magical. I am going to the Warner Brothers studio tour of Harry Potter. So excited. Now, I have seen some spoilers, which is actually what made me want to go because it looks unbelievable. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to do this. I'm just so excited. Now, just so you know, it is a trek. It is outside of London. The Warner Brothers studio tour is about an hour outside of London. So most people will take the train. So you have to get to the train station and then you can take a 30-minute train ride to the shuttle. The shuttle then takes you to the studio tour. We're opting to do something different. I could be wrong about this. I'm just going to do the Uber just because we're pretty far from the train station. We'll just see if that works. I hope it does. I know there's going to be traffic and stuff, but we planned ahead. I'm giving myself about an hour and a half to get there. So you do make a reservation. You need to buy your tickets beforehand, all of that stuff. I'm sure, I'm positive I'm almost positive that this gets sold out. So it's definitely something you want to do in advance. I don't think you can just show up. Maybe you can, but that would be kind of a risk, especially because you made the trek to get all the way over there. So anyway, I am so excited. Myself. Like, we haven't even gone into the thing yet. Okay, sorry. I'm at the Warner Brothers studio tour of the making of Harry Potter. This place, we haven't even, look at where I'm sitting. Literally have not even walked into the tour yet, even remotely. We've been outside for probably 20 minutes just taking pictures because it's that unbelievable. There's a we're just sitting down for high tea, which is something extra that you can do to add on to your experience. So we're starting out with a little high tea before we go on our tour. I'm so excited. This is an option that you can add on to your ticket. I'm not really sure how much it is. I think it was like $50 or $60. Really worth it. Such a nice lunch. It's so relaxing. It's kind of overwhelming when you get here, so I think it's kind of nice that you can just like sit and relax and just chill for a moment and kind of get your bearings. So we are going to start our tour now. I'm so excited. This is really, really cool. say this is absolutely amazing. This is it's exactly what you think. It's worth the trek from London. This is incredible. So well done. Hey guys, future Alex here. I am back in Maine, and what an unbelievable trip I've had. I hope you guys continue to watch along with my journey. I had the greatest time. But I realized that I went and it's pure bucket list. This Harry Potter museum, the Warner Brothers exhibit, behind the scenes of Harry Potter was mind-blowing. I mean, it's mind-blowing. I love the films. I've actually never read the books, but I love the films. And honestly, if you are a fan of the books and the movies, both or either one, this is a must-do. I am not kidding. Like, it's a trek, obviously, getting to Europe, getting to London. And then it's about an hour outside of London. It is worth every ounce of time, effort, and money. And I love the way we started out with a beautiful high tea that was so great, because it's completely overwhelming when you get there. I just can't say enough about what an unbelievable experience this was. And if you do it, make sure you understand you need to give yourself hours of time. Don't plan anything after. We had some stuff planned after. I'd say we stayed there about 3 or 4 hours. It can be overwhelming after a while. It is so humongous. But every corner you turn, you are literally immersed in those movies. I've watched the movies since then, and I feel like I've been there. Like, it's real. Like, it's so unbelievably perfectly done in every way. I cannot say enough about this experience and how highly I recommend it. If you are in London, if you have, and give it a full day, do the high tea, do it up. That's just the way, like, I just love the way we did it, just because, just diving right in. Once you get into the museum and you start turning those corners, and every single corner is a new huge set, and costumes, and the makeup, the special effect. I mean, you can't appreciate these movies at this level until you see the thousands of people and time and effort and money that went into making these movies. It's mind-blowing. But I truly came out of it feeling like I had been in the movie. Like, I look at the movies differently now. I feel like I've been there. It's so spectacular. Anyway, I had to just give it a button. I realized I was so overwhelmed and excited at the end, and then we had stuff to do afterwards, that I didn't do an outro. So I just wanted to let you know how unbelievably cool this thing was. You must go see it if you're in London. If you like Harry Potter, who doesn't like Harry Potter? You got to do it. It is pure bucket list. Would I do it again? I don't know. It's such an unbelievable experience the first time. I think I would, and like even give myself more time. I probably wouldn't do it for a while, but it is one of those things that it is a true experience that if you want to be immersed in this world fully and completely, just go do it. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you soon.